advocating Senate Bill number 155 or an act ito, maganda to, makinig po kayo mga responsible gun owners. Alam nyo, naumpisan po ito nung nagkaroon ng isang malaking rally sa Metro Manila that turned violent. This was just last year or early this year. May isang watchmaker, senior citizen na watchmaker na may maliit na booth kung saan nakatira po yung kanyang pamilya. Nung nagkaroon ng rioting, pinasukan yung booth niya at nagnanakawan ang kanyang mga gamit. At may isa pa nga nakita sa video, may dalang pamalo at papaluin yung tatay na pumipigil sa kanila at pinoprotektahan ang kanyang pamilya. Napalabas po niya yung kanyang isang parang screwdriver at kasi napalo po siya, he defended himself, nasaksak niya yung isang rioter at unfortunately, namatay nga po yung rioter na yun. Pero that fellow who defended his family, meron siyang 10 years old, mga bata, ay hanggang ngayon ay nakakulong pa rin. Hindi tama po yan. As responsible gun owners, why do we have our firearms? Is to defend and protect ourselves from illegal acts. Kaya meron po akong final na bill. Ito po ang Senate Bill number 1555, an act strengthening the definition of self-defense. Ito po yung self-defense law. Ano po yan? Pag pinasukan ka po sa iyong tahanan, akyat bahay, may dalang panaksak o baril, you have the right to defend yourself, your family, and your property. In the United States, ang tawag po dyan, castle law. That is the castle law. Lalo na sa Texas, Montana, pag pumasok ka sa loob ng bahay without even any question or provocation, you can be shot in the US. Dito, hindi naman ganun. We just have the right to defend ourselves. And I think, the PNP kasi, there are also, nag-iingat po sila. Kasi under the law, under the revised penal code, pag dinipensahan mo po yung sarili nyo sa inyong tahanan, you still have to prove that it is self-defense. Ikukulong po kayo. Eh kung magaling kayo, mayaman, at marami kayong abogado, pwede kayong lumusot. Pero paano yung responsible gun owner, middle class? He could be a public servant, he could be a person working in a bank, and he defended himself from an akyat bahay member or sindikato, nabaril niya po yan, defending his family. He should have the right to be able to defend himself at hindi automatic kulong ang mangyayari sa kanya. Diba? So yan ang gagawin po natin. Okay ba sa inyo yan? Mga kapatid, yan ang, ito po ay karapatan na depensa natin ang ating sarili, sa sarili nating bahay, sasakyan, and place of business. Mayroon tayong karapatan, depensahan ang ating sarili. And so that is what we're pushing for, and I'm working with Senator Kiko kasi siya chairman ng Committee on Justice on how we can fine-tune this measure.